In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Canva. Templates are the fastest way to jumpstart a design, whether you're making a social post, a presentation, a flyer, or anything in between. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along right away. First, head to your Canva main dashboard. This is the home screen you see after signing in, and it's where you can access everything you've created or want to start next. On the left side of that dashboard, click Templates. This opens a dedicated space where Canva organizes designs by purpose and style. You'll see popular categories, seasonal collections, and trending layouts. It's a great place to get ideas if you're not sure what you want yet. From here, you have two easy ways to find the right fit. You can browse through the templates that appear, including the ones displayed toward the bottom of the page, or use the search bar at the top to look for something specific. Try typing in the format you need, like Instagram post, presentation, or resume, and add a keyword that matches your theme or mood. As you explore, keep an eye on the preview images. Hovering over a design often shows multiple pages if it's a multi-page template, which helps you see the full look before you commit. You can also glance at the style to make sure the tone fits your brand or purpose, whether that's bold and colorful or clean and minimal. When you spot a template you like, click it to open its preview. Take a moment to check the layout, the number of pages, and the general structure. This quick review helps you choose something that will require minimal tweaking later. Once you're happy with your choice, click Customize this template. Canva will automatically create a new design based on that template and open it in the editor for you. Think of this as your own editable copy. Nothing you do here will affect the original template. You can start working immediately, and your progress saves as you go. That's all there is to it. By starting from the dashboard, heading to templates, browsing or searching for the right design, choosing one you like, and clicking Customize this template, you're set up with a polished layout in seconds. From there you can make it your own at your own pace. Using templates isn't just convenient. It helps you stay consistent and professional without starting from a blank page every time.